is completely different because obviously here what we do is it's dry hire.
Coming after me, marketers.
Oh,
coming
hell
after
yeah.
me. I like seeing that. You know how you would have an explosion of prospects coming in if you have that pop-up and you turn it into a value magnet, in which instead of saying like, give me your contact information so I can try to sell you something later on, you say something like, give me your contact information, and I know you're probably looking for the ideal venue. I'm gonna give you a list of 10 things to look at in your search for your dream. Here's the thing that you know from traffic on websites. 99% of them are not gonna get anything from you, right? So how do you increase that percentage? You gotta bring them into your list.
Okay,
so instead of selling something on the entry or asking for something, you give them value first.
Okay.
So that pop-up would convert at a much higher level if you just give them something of value. And then on the back end, you have leads, because you guys got a sales team, you got an email list growing, you got a phone number list growing. And that's how you really take this to a whole nother level. So that's free advice that I'm giving you here.